Serving our community for more than 100 years, Godley ISD is home to over 2,000 students across 5 campuses pre-K through graduation. And we believe that education gives students a solid foundation for a successful future. We empower all students with the digital tools necessary to lead in tomorrow's world and encourage them to be innovative in their learning. We strive to provide our students with the tools needed to succeed in all aspects of their learning, with small class sizes and a life-changing teacher in every classroom. We offer a variety of different classes and extracurricular activities to ensure that our students have a voice and a choice in their educational experience. We are growing, but we are proudly rooted in the history that made us who we are today. We believe our students are more than just a test, and our mission is to inspire, empower, and challenge all learners to lead, grow, and serve, no matter what path they choose after graduation. We are Godley ISD.